So I can give you a vocabulary word, or I can give you the tools to help you learn more words faster. I am Gail and I love words. When I was an elementary classroom teacher, vocabulary was my favorite thing to teach, and my favorite way of teaching it was through Greek and Latin roots. In previous videos, I talked about the base and root of words, and I said I would talk about the word telephone in the context of roots. So telephone actually has two roots. Tele, which is a Greek root that means far away or far off, and phone, which means sound. And in the video on homophone and homograph, I talked about the fact that phone actually means sound. When we think of telephone, we're thinking of the device we use for calls, but it has a deeper meaning that can actually help you learn more words. So tele means far off or from a distance, and phone means sound. Thereby, a telephone is what allows you to get a sound, which is your phone call, from far away. Same as telegraph. Back in the day, a telegraph was the way you send messages to someone, and telegraph actually has two words as well, which is tele, far away, and graph means to write or a physical representation. I talked about this in my other video on digraph. So tele means far away and graph means to write. So that was a written message coming from far away, and a telephone transmits sounds from far away. Some words you know when you know tele, you know telepathy, you know teleport, telegram, telescope, television, and nowadays we have telehealth, which we know that one by now, and we have telecommute, which is not really a new idea, new concept, where we work from a distance and we communicate by telephone. The tele in telecommute doesn't mean you communicate by telephone. It means you're communicating from a great distance, so you're working and interacting with your coworkers from a great distance. My glasses and the light. There's telekinetic, where you're able to move objects that are far away using just your mind. And then we have phone. And phone can be found in such words as phonology, which is a science that studies the sound of words. And we have symphony, which is a musical composition written for a large group with a whole lot of instruments. And in symphony, we also have another, which is sim. And sim speaks to the coming together, the symbiotic relationship between the different instruments coming together to create, music, the music of the symphony. So that is symphony, P-H-O-N. And then we have phonetics and phonemic, which also relates to sound. And there is cacophony, which is a whole disarray of many disparate sounds. And euphony, which is the opposite of cacophony. So cacophony means a disarray of disparate sounds, while a euphony is a combination of pleasing sounds. So that was tele and phone. Let me know if you need some more words with these two root words. I am Gail, Miss Green to my students. I thank you for watching.